Building healthy bones is extremely important, since it is on the bones our human body system is built. Minerals are incorporated into your bones during childhood, adolescence, and early adulthood. Once you reach 30 years of age, you have achieved peak bone mass. If enough bone mass is not created during this time, bone loss occurs later in life. This in turn increases your risk of developing fragile bones that break easily. Fortunately, many nutrition and lifestyle habits can help you build strong bones and maintain them as you age. In this video, we will show you few effective ways by which you can make bones stronger, that too naturally. Number 1. Eat more protein-rich foods. Dietary protein works synergistically with calcium to improve calcium retention and bone metabolism. If you are consuming more protein-rich foods than the recommended dietary allowance is beneficial for calcium utilization and better bone health. To get sufficient protein, you can consume dairy products, meats, beans, grains and vegetables. Number 2. Eat foods rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for collagen formation and normal bone development. As it is an antioxidant, it helps reduce oxidative stress, to protect you against inflammation, which drives bone resorption, contributing to reduced calcium in the bones. It stimulates the production of bone-building cells, called osteoblasts, and suppresses bone-destroying cells called osteoclasts. Number 3. Exercise daily. Regular exercise is always recommended for keeping your body in good shape and reducing your risk of accidental falls. Particularly, weight-bearing exercises and resistance exercises should be done on regular basis to maintain and improve bone health. Number 4. Drink less coffee. The caffeine in coffee can interfere with the body's ability to absorb calcium, which contributes to low bone strength. Studies have found that a daily intake of 4 or more cups of coffee may cause an increased risk of osteoporotic fractures, especially in women with low calcium intake. So, do not drink more than 2 cups of coffee a day, and avoid excess intake of other kinds of caffeine-laden beverages. Number 5. Drink in moderation. To enjoy good health and maintain strong bones, avoid drinking more than 1 drink a day if you are a woman, and no more than 2 a day if you are a man. Chronic and heavy alcohol intake contributes to low bone mass, reduced bone formation, increased risk of fractures, and delayed fracture healing. So, do take note of these 5 ways by which you can make bones stronger,